Alright, so this is going to be a 4K 2024 60 frames per second remake video of the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that is installed in the guest bedroom at my house. So right now I'm going to take the phone and give you a closer look at it. Alright, so here it is. It's got bleached oak to white reversible blades. It's got a hummingbird and a butterfly pull chain. Just bought those off of Amazon because it especially, look at this background, it makes it more nature-y background, pictures on the wall and stuff, and that over there. So, yeah. Now let's give you top shot. As you can see, it's from July of 2010 by that sticker right there. And then over here is the UL sticker right there. And then there's another sticker somewhere right there. Alright, so now let's give you the demonstration of it. Alright, here goes the light. As you can see, all three bulbs are functional. Here's low speed. It's the perfect time of day to be filming this where the sun is on this side of the room, so I get more light with the lights off. It's starting to make a little bit of noise. As you probably know from my previous videos, this is our loudest ceiling fan out of all of them. But it's not that bad compared to other landmarks. Like, I've heard landmarks that are way louder than this. Alright, let's go to medium now. Here goes medium. This fan is flush mounted. And it's also not wired. It's one of those fans that plugs in, and then the plug is connected to the switch. Although I'm not that good at it, electrical stuff. I can feel quite a bit of air coming from it all the way from where I'm stepping. So yeah, pretty good fan. Alright, here goes high. This is its loudest speed. I don't know if you could hear that. Yeah. Pretty annoying on high. Although it does move a lot of air, so I will give it credit for that. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for so much more videos coming.